Hello everyone. We are going to see the next case or the next program in the dictionary, the next example, wherein we are going to showcase how to remove and delete the items from the dictionary. I already have the typed code over here, wherein we have tried to create a dictionary over here of by the name squares, wherein we are going to have these elements where the squares of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 have been depicted over here. And then we'll start reviewing. The first case we're going to look in is to remove a particular item over here. The first item that we are going to remove, we are going to use a pop function over here. We're going to pop out the value of 4, that is 4:16. That is a element of the dictionary wherein the 4 is holding the value 16. So this is going to be popped out, and we are going to print the square. So the remaining items that are going to be present in the dictionary will be 1:1, 2:4, 3:9, 4:16 have been popped out. So it is not going to be there in the dictionary. So 5:25 will be present in the square, that is the dictionary by the name square. So the next is we are going to remove some arbitrary items over here. That is going to be, we are going to use pop item. It is one of the functions over here that we are going to use. So print square.pop item, we are going to use this keyword so that we are going to remove some arbitrary item from the dictionary, that is square. So it might be anyone, like 1:1, 2:4, 3:9. Any of the items might be removed. Over here we have already popped out pop 4, that is 4:16 have been popped out. So the remaining items will be, one of the items will be checked in, and that is going to be popped out. So we are going to print that particular dictionary over here. Next is we are going to check out the one more is the delete a particular item. We have seen that how to remove. Now we are going to see that how to delete a particular item from the dictionary that has been created. That is delete square 1. That is we are going to delete the 1:1. That is the item which is held by 1, the element 1. So it is going to be deleted. So we are going to print the remaining items of the dictionary. So next is we are going to remove all the items from the dictionary. That is we are going to clear the dictionary. The dictionary is going to be present, but there are no items in the dictionary. That is the dictionary is blank. So the output will be something as the blank dictionary. So I have just depicted the output over here in the code itself. So the next is print square. That is it is going to print this particular, that is two flower open and closed flower brackets over here. That depicts that the dictionary by the name square is present, but it doesn't have any items in the dictionary. So next is we are trying to delete the entire dictionary itself. That is we are holding the dictionary over here in the previous case. Now we are going to delete the entire dictionary by the name square. Suppose after this we are trying to print a square, that is we are trying to print a dictionary over here by the name square, then it is going to throw an error. So we are going to visualize this now, how the code executes step by step. Yeah, over here we are going to look into how the execution takes place. So here we have created a dictionary by the name squares, wherein we are going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The elements of 1, the squares of the number 1 is 1, 2 is 4, 3 is 9, 4 is 16, and 5 is 25. And we are going to pop the first element out of the dictionary, that is 4:16 is going to be removed. So when you do that, we are seeing that this is popped out. So this is popped out. So the remaining items that are going to be printed is these elements are going to be printed. That is, you're going to observe over here that these elements are printed over here. That is other than 4:16. So next is we are going to remove one of the items, arbitrary items from the square. That is a dictionary. So this is over here. What it is doing is 5:25 is removed out. So this is popped out. So what is remaining now in the dictionary is this So that is 1 colon 1, 2 colon 4, 3 colon 9 is remaining in the dictionary. So the next is we are trying to delete square of 1. That is, we are trying to delete this item. That is 1 colon 1 we are trying to delete. So the remaining items will be 2 colon 4, 3 colon 9. So they are going to be present in the dictionary. So if you observe now this, we are going to have only 2 and 3. That is 2 colon 4 and 3 colon 9 are going to be there in the dictionary. So next is we are trying to clear the whole dictionary. That is squares dot clear. We are going to clear the dictionary. That is, when we do this, the dictionary by the name square is present, but the dictionary is empty. There are no elements in the dictionary. So when we print this, we are going to have a open and close for our brackets, braces with no elements within it. So next is we are trying to delete the dictionary. So we are observing over here there is no dictionary is present. Initially we had a element, we have a dictionary over here, a global variable kind of a name, squares was present. There is nothing over here. If you try to print the squares, then it is throwing, it will not execute, or sometimes it also throws the error. Thank you.